So the welding industry is evolving. Once again, we have a lot of welders that are going to be retiring here in the next few years, and we just don't have enough welders to replace them. So right now, this is a perfect opportunity for men, women, girls, boys, everybody to start getting into the welding industry.
Best thing about my job would be the fact that when students get that light bulb moment and they put down that first great weld, and then they're hooked. I absolutely love that moment. And then when they go out into the workforce and get that job, and then they're sending me pictures of the stuff that they're welding, it makes our entire program uplifted and a sense of fulfillment that we've helped somebody get that perfect job for them. I think that for the money that you're spending, you're going to get a high quality education. So whether it's in welding or fabrication, or even over in the CTC, which is where the machinists learn how to run the tooling.
So we do cover all 4 facets of welding out here at IVCC. When the student is done here, what they can expect is to be able to be employable by any of the local factories in the area, along with other companies here in the area and the state of Illinois, along with nationwide. Plus, you're also eligible to get into the iron workers, the pipe fitters, the boiler makers, and the laborers unions, along with the operators union. So there's a host of people out there that are currently looking for welders.